Hi, we are going to start with errors in measurement. So I'll just list down what are the errors in measurement. One of the error is instrument error. You will get different kinds of error types in different types of book. If you go for a reference book, you will get all this kinds of error. If you go for a normal technical publication, you won't get this much type of error. You might get human error, random error, gross error. These are the three basic types that are there in your books. But what I'll try to do is I'll try to classify according to the reference standard, where we can be very sure about classification of different types of error. Okay. So I'll list down the errors. First is instrument error. Second is environmental. Third is observational. Fifth is operational. Fourth is operational. Fifth is translation and signal transmission error. The next one is system interaction error. The last one is random error. Okay. So we'll get to the topic one by one. The first exercise for you people is you have to think about the question that I'm going to frame. First, just look at this pic. You can look at this pic. What is this pic having? This pic is having a thermometer. Okay. And there is a utensil, there is some water which is boiling inside the utensil, and what you are going to do with this thermometer is you are going to measure the water temperature. Okay, so I'll just provide the information to you. The information is, I'll just inform you that this is in Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit, and you should know that I'm just informing you that 204 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 95.55 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is right. So what is my question is? My question is, what if it shows greater than 212 degree Fahrenheit? Okay, what will be the answer? What will be your answer if this instrument is showing more than 1200 and 212 degree Fahrenheit? Okay, I'll just unmute and I'll. Instrument is not proper, Arsalan Dakhani is saying. Okay, anyone else who wants to contribute via voice chat, he can contribute via voice also. Okay, there is some fault in instrument. Okay, that we know. Why do you say that there is some fault? How can you be so sure if it is exceeding 212 degree Fahrenheit? Why are you so sure that there is some error in the instrument? Anyone? If you want to respond, you can respond in the chat also, or you can respond in the voice also. Okay, 212 degree Fahrenheit is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, the boiling point of water is 100 degree. Very nice. And you know, after 100 degree, if the water is boiling, it will evaporate. It will not exceed the 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so if you want to answer, like you have answered it nicely, what you are going to say or what you're trying to say to me is that it will be an instrument error. Okay, instrument is faulty. So what you are basically trying to say is instrument is having some error, because suppose if it is 100 degree, okay, we know that 100 degree is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So if it is 101 degree, if it is showing 101 degree, we are very sure that water cannot have 101 degree. Okay, 100 beyond temperature for water is not possible. Okay, temperature boiling point temperature. Okay, so if we are very sure about it, we can proceed for the next slide. This is a very simple exercise that you have completed. So we'll go to the next slide. uh, this type is called as instrument error. Okay, so I will list down all the causes of instrument error. Just like the previous slide, what you saw is there was some calibration issue. Calibration matlab the reference was not proper. That's why we were getting 100 and we were getting more than 100 degrees Celsius. If we are getting more than 100 degree, that is actually possible when the instrument is not properly calibrated or the reference is not set properly. So one of the causes for instrument error is the instrument is poorly calibrated. So what you have to do to get its remedy, you have to calibrate the instrument properly. The second thing is the instrument is not maintained properly. Like the condition, the environment condition, or whatever might be the condition. If the conditions are not proper, if the instrument is not checked properly, okay, if it is not regulated properly, it will show some error. That is called as poor maintenance. Next is mechanical friction and wear. I would like to explain you what do you mean by mechanical friction. There are many instruments which require greasing. You need to grease, you need to oil that instrument so that the friction is less, so that the wear is less. Okay, so for that conditions, to avoid the instrument error, all these criteria that we are seeing in the screen, all are related to instrument only. There will not be anything outside the instrument. Like calibration is an instrument property, Maintenance is an instrument property. To cover the friction and the wear, mechanical friction and wear of the instrument is also an instrument property. Yielding of support. Suppose there is an instrument which is also having some support. Suppose it is going to be placed at some place and the support is not proper. Suppose I would like to say you about sine bar. How does a sine bar look? Sine bar is used to measure the angle. It is having plate. Sine bar is having a plate on which there are some bars kept. Okay, if the plate is at an angle, suppose this is the plate which is not at an angle, it is parallel to the base surface. Suppose if the plate is at an angle, okay, if the surface, whatever was the my base surface, if that surface is not parallel, automatically this plate will also get tilted. So if I want to measure the angle, suppose I want to measure the angle of anything, I want to measure this angle. So if I want to measure this angle, this should be my angle. But if this plate is tilted, I'll get some different values. So if there is some support which is broken, or you can say the surface on which the support is kept, if it is broken, or if the support is yielding, matlab if it is breaking, okay, then you might get some instrument error. Okay, one more thing that you can get is pointer drag. You know about pointer drag. The pointer is not at zero position, it is automatically dragging. It might be due to air issue also. There might be some air gap due to which, suppose there is a huge amount of air pressure or huge amount of air which is flowing near your instrument, and your instrument is not that much secured. Matlab the instrument is open by some means, even by a minute distance. If it is open, the pointer might get dragged due to the air pressure. Okay, pointer is light in condition, the inertia of air, the weight of air is much more than the pointer, so the pointer drags. So it will cause instrument error. One more thing that I would like to say is hysteresis. Hysteresis is what I would like to explain to you. Hysteresis. What is hysteresis? I will just put it for you. Okay, 1 second, huh? Hysteresis, 1 second. I'll just explain you hysteresis once more. Hysteresis is, suppose this is my graph. So sorry, I am not able to draw the perfect axis. Okay, this will do. Suppose this is increasing input. Okay, we are increasing input, and with respect to this input, we are getting some output. Okay, you can see this will be my output, this much. Okay, and now when I am decreasing input, it is not going to zero, it is going to some other point other than zero, and it is giving some output. Okay, such kind of stress is called as hysteresis. Matlab the change in increasing input value, I am increasing the input value, and when I am decreasing the input value, it is giving me some output. Okay, so such kind of errors are called as hysteresis. Okay, characteristics are called as hysteresis. So if there is some elastic member which is not able to come back to its normal position, it might be due to aging with time factor. Such kind of error is called as hysteresis. Hysteresis is also an instrument error. Last one, what I can say that is common for humans to make is, like when we do assembly. Okay, when we get an assembled product, and if the assembly is not proper of that instrument, that might be some human error who has not assembled the instrument properly. But once you are using it, if there is some assembly issue, then you will get some kind of error that is called as assembly error. You can correct it by gentle tapping if it is possible. Like you can tap the instrument and you can try to correct the assembly. If there is some kind of you can say if the joint is not properly fixed, if you want to fix the joint, you can fix it by your hand also if it is possible. So such kind of error is called as assembly error. So I hope everyone is able to understand the various causes of instrument error. Can anyone repeat it for me? What are the various causes of instrument error as per the screen? You can add yours also if you want to add. Anyone? I have unmuted everyone. Can anyone tell me? I have unmuted you. What are the various causes of instrument error? Hello? Can I get some answer from you? Anyone? Anyone? Arfat? Can you answer me, Arfat? It would be better if you speak. Speaking is always better. Even I am improving myself. Okay, if you speak, that will be very better for you. If you can speak, that will be very better. Please speak out. Speak out. Use your tongue. It will help you. Use your tongue, beta. Anyone? Shariar? Shariar? Yes, Shariar. Hello. We are wasting time. This will show your reputation. because these lectures are getting uploaded on YouTube. Suppose if I get 1,000 likes someday, okay, or if I get 1,000 view of this lecture, and if they people see that Kalseka students are not even able to respond, what will be your status in this market? Just think about it. Not about my status. I am responding. I am talking to you. You can't unmute yourself. I have already unmuted you. Okay, so sorry. Shoaib, now, can anyone tell me?
Yes, sir.
Aslan? Yeah, Shoaib, bolo. What are the various causes of instrument error?
Poor instrumentation calibration, poor maintenance, mechanical friction and wear.
Yeah, I have changed the slide.
Histories.
Yes,
Histories.
yes. Tell me.
Support yield.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Repeat, Shoaib. Anything else?
Support yield.
Pointer drag will be considered?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for responding at least. Mute yourself. So we'll go to the next type, environmental error. Environmental error is, suppose I want to use, I have designed my instrument for a particular environment, and if I change the environment, okay, if I take that instrument to an alien condition, there will be some error introduced by the environment. This is actually possible whenever the instrument is desired to measure temperature, pressure, humidity, okay? Those instruments which are used to measure temperature, pressure, humidity, which are directly related to environment, there you might get some kind of environmental error. Like what I'm saying, the cause is environmental use in foreign condition. Like suppose there is an instrument which is used to measure temperature up to 32, okay, it is used to measure the temperature up to 32, and you are going to use it for 40 degrees, so it will give some error because it won't be able to measure the temperature. What might happen otherwise also is, if you are using it for some higher temperature, okay, if you are using your instrument for higher temperature, and suppose that temperature is a kind of, suppose you can say that is related to resistance, okay, resistance matlab resistance thermometer, you can say. Basic example is, you are using a resistance thermometer which calibrates the value of resistance thermometer, which calibrates the value of temperature in terms of resistance, okay, resistance change. So if you are using that instrument resistance thermometer for the temperature which is more than the desired value of that instrument, what will change is its resistance value will also change. Okay, if its resistance value changes, what will change? It will induce some error into the system. Okay, how can you eliminate this? Just give me a second. How can you eliminate this kind of error? If you know that this kinds of error are caused by this kinds of error are caused by changing the environmental condition, how can you eliminate the error? You can eliminate by using it in an environment for which it is assembled and designed. If you use it for an environment for which it is assembled and designed, you won't get any kind of error. Another thing, suppose this is my one system, this is my another system, this is the system for which it was designed, and this is my foreign system, which is the actual local condition of the instrument where I'm going to use this instrument. So I'll change my local condition. I will change the local calibration. If I can change the calibration with respect to this new local system, I will not be able to find any kind of error. Okay. Environmental error के बाद there is again one quiz from your side. I'm just putting this diagram. This is what? Can you say me? Anyone? Please unmute. I have given you the authority to unmute. Can anyone tell me what is this? This is a capillary, na?
Yes.
Is this a capillary rise or a capillary fall? Is it a rise or a fall?
Rise, sir.
Very nice. How many observers are there? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. 3 observer, Raza. Okay. Now place yourself as an observer. Okay. Place yourself as an observer who wants to read the reading of this instrument. Suppose this reading is in mm. Okay. Now tell me, what will the observer 1 read? Just let me know. Tell me the value which the observer 1 will read. What will be that value?
20.4, sir.
How can it be 20.4? It is upside, na? 19 है ऊपर. See it from.
Sorry.
19 point. Very nice. 20.4 के जगह you can change.
19.6.
Are you sure he will read 19.6? Exact?
Yes, sir.
19.5, sir. The
No.
droplet ends at 19.5.
Because he will see it in
It will.
class. I will tell you what he will see. He will see around 19.62, 19.63. Why I am saying this? Because it is at an angle, right? And that
Okay.
19.6 won't be visible to him. He will say see something below that. And below that we are getting 19.7. So it will be between 19.6 and 19.7. So I have taken it to be a random 19.63. If there is some kind of measurement of 0.03 also, okay? Now I will ask you about the second observer. What will second observer see?
19.7.
19.7.
Correct, he will see 19.7, okay? Now I will ask you about the third observer. What will he see?
19.8.
8 or something.
19.8?
1 2 UV rays.
19 point something, na? 8 something. Suppose I am taking 19.83. Okay, I am taking
Yes.
19.83. This is how much? This is 19.7 and this is 19.62. Now can you tell me which one is correct? Who is the correct observer?
Second one.
Why?
Second one.
Why?
सर क्योंकि ऑब्जर्वेशन उसने डायरेक्ट ऐसा परपेंडिकुलर किया सर उसके.
Very nice. His vision is perpendicular to the scale. Correct na? His vision is perpendicular to the scale. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you are telling me the answer is, if vision is perpendicular to the scale, okay, he will read it correctly. Okay. So such kind of errors are called as, can you tell me the name?
Parallax error.
Very nice. Such kind of error are called as parallax error. All these kinds of error, parallax error, human error, all this comes under observational error. Now there is a quote I will like to quote for you. Instruments are smarter than people who use them. This is very important because trust me, if we don't know how to measure, okay, we will make error. Because many a times what happens, it also happened with me when I was a faculty, I don't know how to use that instrument. So if I don't know how to use that instrument, I will automatically make error. Instrument is more smarter because he knows what to measure, but I don't know how to see that thing. Okay, so instruments are smarter than people who measure, okay, or who use them. So one of the observational error that you are very comfortable that you have just seen is parallax error. How can a parallax error occur? When the vision is not perpendicular to the scale, the error that you will see is parallax error. You won't be able to read it properly. Okay, now inaccurate estimates of average reading. This happens in fluid mechanics, especially in fluid mechanics. You don't know how to estimate. You take 10 values, okay, you do some kind of error while taking the average, and this will lead to observational error. Okay, another is unit conversion. This is one of the most common error that comes in exams also. When we check the paper, we see these kinds of error. Many a times these errors are happening, and if we consider all the errors strictly, we might see that students are not even able to clear the exam due to unit conversion error. Okay, this kind of error can also happen. Suppose you have taken a reading in Fahrenheit, now you want to convert it into degrees Celsius, so you should know how to convert it into degrees Celsius. Okay, so if such kind of error is happening, this is called as unit conversion. Personal bias, this happens with even with me, even with you. What happens, we anticipate, 4 रीडिंग आ गई, 5वीं इतनी होगी, लिख के ले ले, होता है. We miss the scale, हम भूल जाते हैं टाइमर में क्या लिखा है क्या नहीं लिखा है. We anticipate and read कर लेते हैं आगे का, छोड़ यार लिख के ले ले, देख लेंगे, उतना ही रहेगा उसके आसपास. ठीक है, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज पर्सनल बायस. व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग इट फॉर योर इंस्ट्रूमेंट or for your educational purpose, it's okay. Okay, but when you are using it in company, this personal bias error will cause observational error, which is not good. And wrong recording of data. People are not writing it properly. Okay, they are observing something, but they are not writing it or not putting the proper values while observing or while recording. So such kind of error is also called as observational error. So I hope you understood what are the different kinds of observational error. It is parallax, it can be average, it can be unit conversion, it can be biasness of the person who is taking the reading, or he can record the data wrong. Okay, now we'll go to the next. Again, there is a question. Has everyone understood the last topic? What are the 3 types we have seen till now? What are the types that we have seen?
Observation error, environmental error,
Instrumental error, environmental error,
And
observational error.
right? Now, there is one more thing for you to think. Do you know this instrument? Have you seen it? You might have it in your house also right now. It is there in everyone's home right now because of the corona case. Have you seen this glass thermometer? I think everyone might have seen this glass thermometer actually.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you have seen this glass thermometer, I would like to ask one question. Can we use this glass thermometer to measure the boiling point of water?
No, sir.
Why?
No, sir.
Why, Arham?
The reading range. It is only for 41 degrees Celsius to calculate, and the boiling point of the water is 100 degrees.
41 to 42. 41, na? 42.
Yeah.
42.
42.
The upscale. 42 degrees Celsius. Okay. One more thing. If you use it for boiling point, it will break. It is a glass. Right now? It is a glass. It is a structure. If you take it up to 100, okay, it will not be able to measure first thing. It will break also. Right?
Yes, correct.
Now, you are very sure about it. So this kind of error, can you tell me what this kind of error will be like?
Environmental error.
No, this is not environmental error. The environment is not at all affecting. Is this an instrument error? Think about it. It is not an observational. It is not environmental. Is it an instrument error?
नो सर इंस्ट्रूमेंट एरर भी नहीं है क्योंकि
What is
वो
the purpose? What is the
स्पेसिफिकली
purpose? हाँ, इंस्ट्रूमेंट में गलती नहीं है, बराबर ना?
स्पेसिफिकली वो 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक के लिए ही बनाया हुआ है,
के लिए बनाया हुआ
तो
है.
वो तो सही है.
Human error.
ह्यूमन एरर भी नहीं है ये. कोई बोल सकता है, कोई और नहीं है बोलने को. अनस और दो ही लोग बोल
सर
रहे हैं.
उसको ऑपरेशन दूसरा कर रहे ना सर.
शरियार, इन्वॉल्व योरसेल्फ. इट इज बेटर इफ यू इन्वॉल्व. सर वो उतने ही कंडीशन के लिए बनाया है, तो एनवायरनमेंट हो सकता है ना. हाउ कैन इट बी एनवायरनमेंट? एनवायरनमेंट का क्या दोष है? एनवायरनमेंट बोल रहा है जबरदस्ती तुम गलत इंस्ट्रूमेंट लाओगे तो मैं तो गलती करूंगा ही ना. थिंक अबाउट इट. एनीवन? कैन एनीवन हेल्प मी?
Sir, it's the wrong selection of tool actually.
Very nice. Who is
Manufactural error.
who told wrong selection of tool?
Sir, me Raza.
Very nice. This is called as operational error. You are not using it for the proper operation. Just think about it. Improper use of instrument functionality, right? Suppose I'll just put it as an example for you. Suppose there is a bend, okay? There is a bend in pipe. Now you know that across this bend section, just give me a second here. Across this bend section, there will be some flow. There will be some velocity change. Okay. Now, if you want to measure, suppose if you want to measure flow rate by using flow meter, it might be orifice, it might be anything. Okay. And you know that flow rate is measured in meter cube per second. Okay. And this is nothing but area into velocity. Basically, it is nothing but area into velocity. Okay. You can even say it as volume. Yeah, area into velocity is okay. One more formula is there, I think, for Q. Volume per, can anyone, area into velocity or volume per? Am I right? Okay, we will go with area into velocity. Okay. So if I want to measure flow rate, now I have to measure something which is called as velocity. Now I know that when the fluid passes through this bend, the velocity will automatically decrease. Okay, then it will increase. It might be at a good value, it might be at a high value, but when it passes through bend, the velocity will change. Okay, there will be some change in velocity. So if I want to measure the proper velocity, I should not keep my flow meter near the bend. If I am placing it just near the bend or a valve, suppose there is a valve, okay, which is needed to be opened, okay, and if I am placing my flow meter just near the valve, what will happen? There will be abrupt change in velocity. It might be increasing, it might be decreasing. Okay, if I am closing, it will decrease. If I am opening, it will increase. So if such kind of error is such kind of error is called as operational error. Flow meter. Second, suppose you are using thermometer. You know where do you keep thermometer? You keep it at the side. Okay, at your side. If you don't put it properly, what will happen? If the sensitive portion of the thermometer is not immersed properly, what will happen? The thermometer won't read the readings correctly. So this is also called as an operational error. The third is pressure gauge. We know pressure gauge is used to measure the pressure. Okay, we want to measure the pressure value. But if there is some external pressure which is hampering your system pressure, so the pressure gauge won't be able to read the correct pressure value, because it will show incorrect value if it is exposed to pressure other than the atmospheric. It happens in mechanical instruments. Okay, Tabish, you want to say something? I hope things are clear for you. Operational error, thermometer, pressure gauge, anything which is used improperly, matlab the functionality is not used properly, such kind of error is called as operational error. Can we move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll get to the next type now. Signal translation error, matlab I want to translate something, okay, and if the translation is not happening properly, suppose there was a reading, there was a sound decibel that I wanted to know, but there is a resonance in the system. If there is a resonance in the system, there will be a lot of sound at that point. Okay, so if I wanted to measure something and if resonance come, what will be the issue? I will not be able to get the transmission of the signal properly. Okay, so if I am unable to sense or translate the measured signal with complete assurity, such kind of error is called as translation error. When does it happen? When there is rapid change. Okay, suppose there is an inertia issue, or there is hysteresis issue, or there is suppose resonance issue, and you might have heard about ripple in the electronic instruments. Okay, or if there is humming sound, or if there is some external sound, noise, if I want to measure noise something, okay, if such kind of issues are present, then the error will be called as translation error, okay, or signal transmission error. How can you correct it? By continuous monitoring of signal along the control path. We actually do this. Signal transmission error needs to be rectified actually in electronic instruments. Okay, how do they rectify? By using a rectifier circuit also. They rectify the signal. I think every one of you might have heard, whatever syllabus was completed of industrial electronics last time, you might have heard about rectifier. Rectifier rectifies the signal. Okay, so if there is some kind of error within the system, that electronic error is rectified, or electronic instrument error is rectified by that rectifier. Okay, so we have completed one more. Second last, I would say system interaction error. System interaction error, you can say like it is a part of instrument error only. Like suppose this is an 0, and if it is at an offset, this is called as offset error. So if there is something which is interacting with the system, I want to use the instrument for proper reading, but if I'm not able to use it due to offset error, such an error is called as zero offset error. Non-linearity of the instrument, matlab non-linearity, you already know about non-linearity. If input and output are not proportional, suppose this was the expected reading and you are getting with respect to this, okay, this is your actual reading. If you're getting actual reading as this, then this kind of error is called as non-linear error. This might be also possible in sensitivity. If the sensitivity of the instrument, matlab input to output, if input to output is not properly maintained, then the type of error that you get is called as system interaction error. I'll just list down. There is nothing much to explain for this. Okay, elimination. How can you eliminate this? This is important. If you want to eliminate, what do? You do some kind of precision work. Okay, you make the instrument reproducible you make the instrument to give the reading such as reproducible reading. If you are able to get reproducible reading which is accurate, repeatable, repeatable is nothing but a kind of precision. Okay, but reproducible, it is also a kind of precision. But what do you do in this? You change the environment, and you change the environment like intrinsic or internal environment also you change, and you also change the external environment. I have already informed you. Okay, so if you can locate that error, matlab if you are seeing that there is some kind of zero offset coming in one system, you might change the system and you might look to see if that error is again coming into the system. If that error is coming, it might be due to environment. Okay, it might be due to environment, and what you can do, you can try to rectify that by changing your environmental condition. Okay. Okay, last one, what I would like to inform you is about random error. Random are errors which cannot be controlled. Okay, these errors are also called as probable error. These errors are also called as probable error. One more thing about them, they are accidental. When something is accidental, you can say that it is also an hysteresis. You can also add drift. Drift is also an characteristics which is caused accidentally. Okay, these are small accidental and independent errors like hysteresis, friction, noise, threshold, resolution, drift. Okay, This follows the laws of probability. Done? Done? Okay. So you have seen many errors. I would like to know from you what are the different types of error. First one is, can you list down the errors? Anyone? Yes. Please.
Parallax error.
पैरेलैक्स नहीं चाहिए मुझे, बेसिक नहीं चाहिए मुझे, मेन टाइप चाहिए. नाम डायरेक्ट ऑब्जर्वेशनल ना. पैरेलैक्स की जगह यू कैन से ऑब्जर्वेशनल. करेक्ट? एनीथिंग एल्स?
Environmental error.
Instrumental error. Very nice. Instrument error.
Operational error.
Environmental error.
Translation error.
Operational error.
Very nice.
Operational error.
These are basic types. The other
Transmission error.
Random error.
transmission. Signal transmission is also very important. So after
System interaction error.
a part of this errors only, but we can classify differently also. System interaction error. This is also a part of
Systematic error.
okay. System interaction error. One more thing. Last one was random or probable error. That is remaining. I think we are done. Yes, Harshal, any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Just get to the topic. Types of input. The types of input are desired, interfering, and modifying input. I would like to know from you, have you registered your account?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice.
Yes,
I'll give
sir.
you some questions today. Okay, types of input are desired, interfering, and modifying. We will cover this at a later stage. Right now, we will just look at the syllabus. I have just used the many colors. I am so happy with online teachings because I don't have to go to Vakas to ask for color chalks. So I'm very happy about it. I get all the types of color chalk that I require. This is the part that is remaining. We have completed significance of mechanical measurement. We have classified the measuring instrument like primary, tertiary, secondary, mechanical, electrical, electronic. Then we have also seen general measurement system yesterday. Then we have covered all the characteristics like calibration, linearity, static sensitivity, accuracy, error, precision, reproducibility, threshold, resolution, hysteresis, drift, span and range. In errors, we have completed this part. This always comes in exam for 10 marks, types of error. Effect of component error and probable error, we will see if we want to cover it because I am not getting concrete data for it. If I get concrete data, I will cover this part, but if I don't get it, we will cover it later. Okay. So what is remaining actually in this module is something which is effect of component error and probable error. And one more type that is remaining is types of input. We just need to cover this thing. We are done with the first module. One more thing that I'll do for you is I will share the notes. I have already written it. I think 7 to 8 years back, I wrote that in notes, but those notes are very good. Even now you can use that notes. So I will share the notes also with you. Okay. So what I'll do right now is I am going to share some quiz with you. Okay. I will ask question and answers afterward. What I'll do right now with you is I will discard this. Just give me a second. Okay. Just give me a second. I want to share my screen. Yeah. Okay. I'll just be giving you some questions. I would like to change the timing. What was that? What is the time right now? 2:35. So we have got 10 minutes time. We can complete the quiz right now. Okay. You can see your interaction with me online also, but you have to log in that on that website. But wait for a second. Just let me change something. I have to change the time. The time is 2:30 now. Okay. So this is the code. Can you see the code on your screen? 48. Can you see this code? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 487655. Okay. Don't log in now. Just wait for a second. 487655. I just need to change the time. If I don't change, you won't be able to log in afterwards also. Time is 2:37. Okay. 2:39. I am putting the time. 2:39. Save. Okay. Have I changed? Yeah. Now what you can do is you can go to your screen and you can log in with that code. Have you got that code? 487655. Go to myquiz.org. Since you are logged in, you can directly put this code. 487655. 487655. Yes? Has everyone logged in? Has everyone logged in?
So,
Yes?
where to put this code? So, मतलब create quiz, जैसे आपको create quiz आ रहा है ना, वैसे हमारे को create quiz आ रहा है. तो आपका कोड कहाँ डालना है?
आपको myquiz.org पे जाना है, अकाउंट नहीं डालना है, लेक्चर्स
हाँ.
आपको सिर्फ ये देखो, ये पुट करो myquiz.org. That's it. When you put this thing, na, see what I'm getting. Can you see this?
Yes sir, yes sir.
487655. Everyone, put it now. We don't.
हाँ सर किए सर.
हाँ, खुला क्या कुछ?
सर वहाँ पे एक मिनट का टाइम दिखा रहा है, स्टार्ट हुआ 1 मिनट में.
1 मिनट बाद चालू होने वाला है. देखो मैं देखता हूँ. आप लॉग इन करिए. Everyone, I want to. It will start at automatic.
Seconds बता रहे.
It will start in 60 seconds, I think. 57, 56. Okay. There are some 10 questions I think I have framed and I need answers from you. Has everyone logged in? Just give me reply in the chat box if you have logged in. Just
Yes, sir.
jaldi karo. Please log in. Yes, please everyone log in. 20 seconds remaining to start. It will just take 5 minutes. Please log in. 3 seconds. Yeah. I think it should start automatically. Yeah, it is starting on your screen. Okay. So the use of electronic control unit for traction system in automobile is, just your answer. Don't give me the answer. Just put it. One has answered. Raza has answered. Yes, Tushar, Rayan, Anas. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. You don't have much time. Do it fast. Only 12, 13, 14. Okay. You can see the answer. It receives signals from modulator about speed variation in which different wheels of speed are given to the system. I think I have not given. You can see, look at this thing. What kind of error is this? Just put your answer. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Only 12. Go fast. I'll give you more time next time. Yes, very nice. Very nice. So nice. I would like to say who is the leader also. Instrument error. 47% said correctly and 36% said incorrect. Correctness of measurement is closely related to correctness of measurement. This is very tricky. I have thought a lot about it before framing the question for you people. You will be shocked with the answer. I feel. No, I thought I knew that you will be shocked. So sorry. You'll get to the next. I have written the. You can take the screenshot, but I think I have not given that much time for you to read the content. I'll give you that time. Find one or more incorrect statement. So sorry. This is very tough. This is about sorry. This is about electronic instrument. Yes, put it. Not an issue. About electronic instrument. Okay. Next. You have time. Take a deep breath. thermometer doesn't read correctly if sensitive portion is not immersed properly. This indicates what? Operational, observation, environmental, instrument, all of the above. Right? Give it fast. Only 21 are responding out of operational.
It's like
Yeah, nice. Next, you'll also get the leader from you among the 21. Just give me a second. Yeah. Choose one or more correct statement. This is very nice from the below. Apple should be eaten before it gets rotten. Or weight balance cannot be negative. Or an apple a day keeps corona away. Whatever you want to select, you can select it. It's your choice. Very nice. Apple should be eaten before it gets rotten. Who is this person? 9.7 people have responded this way. Okay, nice. Okay, who is the leader? OS. OS, you have scored more. Mohammad OS. Very nice. Rayyan. Nice. Did you enjoy that thing? Just let me know in the chat also, that will do.
yes sir, but time बहुत कम था sir.
Time was less because this was first time for me. I was not knowing that you will require more time. I thought you will copy among yourself if I give you more time. So I thought of restricting the time. At least I should have given you the time to read the reason. Next time I will do it more properly. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. One more thing. I was planning to take a lecture in the evening, but we won't have any lecture today. We will cover that lecture sometime later. Okay, so we are done with the lecture as of now. The topic that is remaining is types of input. Okay, and some kind of probable error, and what do you mean by component error? Okay, is there any doubt that you want to ask? Let me know.